Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about simple and compound interest. Find the total value of the investment after the time given. If I was given this problem, $7,300 at 7% compounded, semi-annually, for 3 years. Well, first thing, I want to take apart this and find my missing variables, okay? Principal, we know, is $7,300. My interest rate as a decimal is 0.07. The number times compounded per year semi-annually is 2 times in a year. Then the amount of time we have here is 3 years. With that information, all I have to do is plug all those values that I extracted from this statement into my formula. A equals my principal, 7,300, multiplied by 1 plus my R value, which is 0.07, over my N value, which is 2, all to the exponent power of 2N, which is the N value, times 3, which is the T value. This gives me a final answer here of $8,973.56. So quick recap, we're given $7,300 at 7% compounded semi-annually for 3 years, and we define the investment after the time given using